In the last lecture, we have discussed basic overview of this course. We have discussed different topics which we will study in this course in coming lectures. आज हम बाकायदगी से इस कोर्स का आगाज़ करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि रिक्वायरमेंट क्या चीज़ है, और इसी में हम आपको कुछ एग्जांपल भी दिखाएंगे सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट की। टू स्टार्ट दैट, व्हाट इज़ रिक्वायरमेंट? सबसे पहले हमें ये पता होनी चाहिए कि रिक्वायरमेंट है क्या चीज़। Requirements is a something required or something wanted or needed. Requirement is a statement of system services or constraints. In simple word, we can say that a statement that describes the service provided by the system or constraints or boundary in which the system will run. Requirements या तो वो बेसिक फंक्शनैलिटी होंगी जो यूज़र को, जो कस्टमर को रिक्वायर्ड होती है कि हमारे सिस्टम में ये फंक्शनैलिटी होनी चाहिए, या तो कोई कंस्ट्रेंट्स होंगे सिस्टम कि इस सिस्टम ने इन ही कंस्ट्रेंट्स के अंदर रन होना है। According to the IEEE standard requirement is a condition which needs to be fulfilled by the system or capability that the system must have. Why requirements is needed? हमें रिक्वायरमेंट की क्या ज़रूरत है? Whenever someone asks from you that I need a software or application, a question arises immediately in your mind that what kind of software you need it and what kind of capability or functionality they have. So it means requirement act as a basis for the software product. What are the key challenges while collecting the requirements? Necessarily involve people interaction. Actually, a requirement gathering is a social activity and need an interaction with a number of people having different levels, backgrounds, knowledge, and may have conflicting interests. So it is not easy and simple activity. Requirement collection, requirement gathering एक simple और एक easy activity नहीं है। Requirement collection के दौरान requirement engineers को मुख्तलिफ किस्म के लोगों से मिलना पड़ता है, जिसकी प्रोजेक्ट पे असर रसूख का जो लेवल है वो डिफरेंट होता है। उसमें प्रोजेक्ट ऑनर्स होते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट स्पॉन्सर्स होते हैं और यूज़र वगैरह शामिल हैं। Requirements is a human intensive activity, so it cannot be fully automated. It simply means requirement engineering में human involvement और interaction बहुत ज़्यादा है, इसलिए इसको fully automated बनाना बहुत मुश्किल है। Why it is hard to understand requirements? Requirements को understand करना क्यों मुश्किल है? Visualizing a future system is difficult. It is not easy to visualize the system which is not exist, which cannot be seen and having no physical existence. Capability of future system is not clear, hence need not clear. A system which cannot exist, so it is difficult to judge their capabilities. अगर एक सिस्टम की फिजिकल एग्जिस्टेंस नहीं है तो इसका मतलब वो सिस्टम क्लियर नहीं है। जब सिस्टम क्लियर ना हो तो इसकी रिक्वायरमेंट भी क्लियर नहीं हो सकती। Requirement change with time. Changes to the requirement is always there. Requirement task. Requirement task क्या है और इसमें क्या क्या चीजें शामिल हैं? Each and every task has some input and output. It means starting status and ending status. So input to the requirement task is user needs in mind of people. Precise statement of what the future system will do is the output of the requirement. Examples of requirements. Now we are going to discuss few examples of requirements. क्या requirement क्या चीज है? If a user wants to search a book using any type of key like book title, author name, or ISBN using their computer without going physically to locate the required book, this requirement shows capability and functionality of the system. Secondly, the system user interface shall be implemented using मतलब ये है कि the user interface of the system should be implemented using the browser. This means that user should be able to access the system using the browser. This is the end of this lecture. We'll see you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.